Hi everyone! Did you know that everyday cooking oils and margarine go through processing steps that can change their chemical structure and may affect inflammation in our bodies? Today, we'll explore what research says and why it's important to think critically about these foods. Canola oil comes from rapeseed and is high in unsaturated fats, especially omega-3 and omega-6. Margarine is made from vegetable oils, often processed and blended to make it spreadable and long-lasting. How they are processed: high heat and chemical treatments like refining, deodorizing, and adding chemicals to prevent oxidation. These steps can change the natural fat composition and reduce antioxidants in the oil. Some experts say this may make the oils less favorable for the body if consumed in large amounts over time. Some studies suggest that too much omega-6 compared to omega-3 may increase inflammation in the body. Processed vegetable oils can contain oxidized fats, which may stress cells and affect health. Effects are not simple. They can be less favorable for the body in high or long-term use, but results depend on overall diet, lifestyle, and individual metabolism. Canola oil and margarine are common, but their processing and chemical changes raise questions about possible effects on the body. Eating too many processed vegetable fats may increase the risk of inflammation, but it depends on your overall diet. Thinking critically about research helps make smarter choices and shows that one food alone is not black and white in its effects. Some people prefer butter or olive oil as alternatives. These fats are less processed than canola oil and margarine. Research suggests they may have different effects on inflammation, but the full picture still depends on overall diet and lifestyle. Even though canola oil and margarine are widely used, their processing and composition can affect how our bodies react to them. Research suggests that eating too many processed vegetable fats may increase inflammation risk, but the full picture is complicated. Being critical of research helps us make better choices and understand how diet affects our health overall. Did you know this? Comment below which fact surprised you the most.